Beanvest Portfolio App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Beanvest is a portfolio management app designed to help investors build and track diversified portfolios efficiently. Most people assume portfolio apps have high fees or hidden charges, but Beanstock keeps pricing simple and transparent. The app offers a free tier for basic portfolio tracking and performance monitoring. For more advanced features like risk analytics, automated rebalancing, and access to curated investment strategies, Beanstock charges $99 per month or annually. All users receive access to educational content and market insights at no extra cost. The surprising truth is that even beginner investors can manage multiple portfolios, track performance, and optimize allocations with professional-level tools without paying for expensive advisory services. In conclusion, Beanstock portfolio app pricing is affordable and straightforward. Understanding the subscription options ensures you can choose the right plan for your investment needs while gaining access to powerful portfolio management tools.